In this video we will have a closer look on how to edit product models. Now let's show product model occurrence. And we can see that it's on 2 stories. We can use the product tree for navigation. And let's also change the position number from 5 to 7. Then we push edit product model and we can make sure that 7 is available, and it is. So let's change to 7. In order to make our drawings up to date, the open drawings, we synchronize, and all the closed drawings will be updated automatically. Now we can change 2D and 3D symbols for the product model. In this case, we take the one with position number 3. Now we will generate 3D models for demonstrational purpose. We edit product model. And now let's change the 2D symbol first. And now the 3D symbol. And 2D and 3D symbols updated automatically in all drawings. Now let's try to rename and add additional information for a selected product model. Let's add some additional information. Of course, we are free to do this later on if we feel like it or have the need for it. And now when we're done, we push Update Product Models Device. And then we select fields to be updated. All product models are updated on the active drawing, and then we synchronize to update other drawings in the project. Now let us change device information for the product model. Then we select the new product and then we replace selected. Then we need to confirm the changes. And symbols and technical information is updated automatically. Now we update the name for the product model and we copy that to description. As we can see now, the symbols are automatically updated. Let us do some more changes. We change product information and parametric symbol. Then we go for product information selection and we select our new device. Then we push replace selected. And we confirm the change. We can see that there is new size information. So let's change the symbol. Now we change the length to 622, and we can change the tip text. And now when we close, we can see that all the symbols have been updated. The 3D symbols are also updated. Now let's copy product models in the drawing. Now we need to accept IDs and check that copy data related to is active. If we want to see the device data, we can double click on the symbol. Now let's try to convert other symbols or product models to the selected product model. Select fields that are updated and pick elements from the drawing. Elements are converted automatically. It's also possible to edit product models in database. Position 3 will be replaced with position 7. We can mark a row and we can delete or edit texts. If we now select all the number 3, we can change them. We can also add additional information in database, or we can use other functions. So now let's select the product models we want to use, and we double click for selection. If we synchronize to update the drawing, we will see that number 3 is now changed to number 7. So all devices are changed. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.